6+3 Auto Laser Sandblasting Equipment can control the laser head through 6 axes to move to workpieces as any position and angle. Can process workpieces automatically after saving the machining path through teaching demonstration. After cleaning the first workpiece, the same workpiece can be placed directly. The laser head will be automatically processed according to the set path. By automating operations on same workpieces, can cooperate with robotic arms to automate the processing of large quantities of workpieces. Significantly improved processing efficiency.